And finally, some Natejo Minister for Information and Communication, Wabe Chilense, the NTR, 1 million coders laptop no share, you know. Also, when I say, and the phone me and something, the whole region of Ashanti, you may trip. I'm a no before, but some dog have a casa. Most of posting on Facebook, got no more. Okay, can't send me now. You're actually in 7 more. Now you're busy question, Kakra. I have PENYAH block me. The best was any demo. Over like video, not that I'm put a subscribe button, snap click verification, comment for the latest update. Now, better the wide media, mammy, ever comment section. Over so. Not sure for edge of Yash. You know, me, nifty, many num tamale, hobby, be cry, me call me around Spina. And Jamaica feedback, me nifty, but still, I was here, Juma. I was here, Juma. Now, you know, I had 2025, at the end, this is not Kunyaso. I don't go for your friend 1 million coders program. Ever, yes, sir. Almost so much training you to know through coding. As I said, yeah, you have a code, you code, yeah, you code, wait, you code, wait, you code, wait. Yeah, you have a code. Now, I buy, you know. I'm a mechanic, you know, at the Ministry of Vetting. The Deputy Minister designated for Information Communication. They was the question say, do you know what coding is? Okay, I said, aye. And an honorable Jerry. I put through the question, said, then he should explain what coding is. And I was yeah, or didn't you remove banana? Easy.
Do you know what coding is?
Yes, I do.
Kindly tell us what coding is.
Coding is providing training for young men and women in the IT space. Training them in web design, training them in, how to build software and what have you. Basically, this is what coding is, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, I wish you well. You should understand coding some more, but I wish you well. Thank you very much.
Deputy Minister for Information and Communication. Our dear friend who coding, we knew the code here. We knew the code here. We knew how to top up so you not see a film. No, I don't think that I'm on the program is see what my son at the piloting level no or more be portal and I'm putting apply any idea. Now recently the cover yes say BBI yes set I am my first May laptops now omuka sa amanfo nya Lenovo machine omu ebeba na omo ba beche na le cheni mu no na wesi ananse Sam George ebe kan ho nsem kakra ara se Sam George ebe kan nsem bi ewo ho ana wo chire mu hawa bibia ebesi akọ na weni chire mu Sam George edemaye.
Confident that by the end of April, let's give ourselves say 1st of May, the program will kick off fully across the country. This is phase 1 of the rollout. In this phase 1, we're rolling out in 130 learning centers across the country. 130 learning centers across the country. These 130 learning centers are in each of the 16 regions. So in each of the 16 regions, we've got learning centers. We've got in the Ahafo region, we have 4 centers. In Ashanti, there are 3. In Bono, there are 7. Bono East, 8. Central region, 9. Eastern region, 4. Greater Accra region, 24. Northeast, 3. Northern, 11. OT, 4. Savannah, 7. Upper East, 11. Upper West, 7. Volta, 14. Western is 9. And then Western North is 5, bringing you to 130 learning centers. Now, for each of our learning centers, we're going to be deploying, for a start, 50 laptops that have been customized for the purposes of the 1 million coders. So it means that if you do the simple mathematics, today we'll be distributing approximately 6,500 laptops out of our current stock, which I've announced already is 20,000 laptops that we hold. Now, apart from that, and the main learning centers, we're also working very closely with academia. As part of the processes of rollout, working with the Honorable Minister for Education, I had a meeting with all vice chancellors of all public and private universities last year to discuss the possibility of rolling out this on our university campuses as well. So like I said, it's a lot of work that we've been doing in the background to get to today's position. For a start, in this phase one, we're going to be rolling out in 12 universities. We'll be rolling out this first phase in 12 universities. In the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, my alma mater. In the University of Ghana, they just came back from the moon. The University of Mines and Technology, the University of Development Studies, and the University of Cape Coast. Other universities we'll be dealing with are the University of Technology and Applied Sciences, the Ghana Communication Technology University, the University of Education Winneba, the University of Health and Allied Sciences, University of Professional Studies Accra, the University of Environment and Sustainable Development in Sunyani, no, that's in Somanyo, and University of Energy and Natural Resources in Sunyani. Now, as part of rolling out 1 million coders, we've had to work with private sector because government is unable to fund the entirety of the project. And we're grateful to one of our partners who have shown very good faith with us, MTN Ghana. MTN Ghana, at the group level, immediately signed, in fact, we're one of the first private companies to sign an MOU with the ministry on the 1 million coders. I'm sure some of you in the media reported and have seen the report that MTN supported us with about 2 million, equivalent of about $2 million US. We've decided that what we will do is use that to get equipment that will be specially used in some of the universities we are partnering with. So the KNUST, the University of Ghana, University of Mines and Technology, University of Development Studies, and University of Cape Coast are going to be getting equipment. So that equipment, that amount is giving us about 2,000 laptops. And so those 2,000 are being split across the 5 universities I've mentioned. The other 7 universities will be getting their quota from the government stockholding. But we want to put on record that we are extremely grateful to MTN for supporting us. And to the 5 universities, you should also join us in extending our gratitude to MTN for their support. But that does not mean that all the computers you will get will only be the MTN projects. The government of Ghana will also be augmenting whatever will be given to you out of the MTN's 2,000, because we'll be deploying more than 2,000 in the universities as well. But we're very grateful to MTN for standing with us and believing in the vision of the Reset Ghana agenda. And so today,
Everyone children na sound judge but na ebi mo enter say you know say ever say a child there and image na so check you check population wise ni a check economic wise how a business is it cost so ewo bia ho no mo any nipa dodo mu ho no mo and you know over Ghana ha no mo Ashanti Region is the second most populated region and the second largest region in terms of economic wise. I think Greater Accra region enya 24 centers in there at least. I was like, to 20 or something close to what the people of Greater Accra region they had. But here's the case, Greater Accra enya 24 centers, but Ashanti region enya 3. Emma esirem omunya 11. Esirem munya 11 omunya 11. Ashanti region 3. Edna ebimo enya bre kasa se na ne ase ni se entremu ni se ni ade because I don't call ya no one region center bia no we benya 50 laptops so multiplier kuma say you benya just 150 laptops. Accra omudamu 1,200 laptops. It just here entremu. It na so Sound George. Ebe kasa e woni fake. Now say wa drive for 10 entremu say I have seen the agitations about the announcement of 3 centers in the Ashanti region as part of phase 1. There's what it oh, see. What is a more so panel more bonachima efa laptop na see about channel. What a more kanachi. What in entremuni. Let me provide some more details. Each learning center got 50 laptops. Yesterday, apart from the 3 centers, we have 500 laptops going to the prestigious Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology into bracket KNUST. Or just say, Ashanti region, more 3 centers. As a center, we have 50 laptops. You multiply it, 150 laptops. But Munkai, who say, Miria no, and you don't come on answer her. Miss Ama 500 laptops. And no, Echo KNUST campus, and to more fan non count. That's it. What the count one? Ashanti region with 3 centers, 150 laptops. With the laptop going to KNUST, it make 650 laptops. All right, 650 laptops. I announced this as phase 1 of the rollout. So we have currently deployed 650 laptops to the Ashanti region, not 150 as is being claimed. Munkai, can you know? Some of them who may sound you my idea, and a month 150 now, echo centers no combined, any 500 laptops na echo KNUST, Munkai, you know, move who say, Mrs. Simo. Oh, my mom will say 50 laptops, Mrs. Simo. I mentioned to my brother, Dr. Frank Makohene, that we will be rolling out another 25 centers in a few weeks in the region, along with more computers to KNUST and the brand new Regional Innovation Center we have built in Kumasi. Dr. Frank Makohene, the Ashanti region with only Dinkomo. At Entebia, Obama 25 new centers. Ashanti Memu. About 25, 8 million with and Kenya is through the computers. What is it? Sanjo Negasano. I appreciate the desire for more centers. Ashanti will get its fair share, like all other regions, under the reset agenda. Everyone matters. Cheers. Sanjo Deneka says, now, young friend free in the last paragraph. No. Ashanti will get its fair share, like all other regions. Young friends, you know, I'm George. That's why I admit it. Phase 1 and more change. Most is Ashanti for. Because Oka said the Ashantis will get its fair share. That is the meaning. Say, oh yeah, where's the phase 1? Most is here. Sammy, most is here. And then I said 500 laptops. Echo KNUST, and yeah, young KNUST in Konya 500 laptops, much 10,000 laptops, 6,500 laptops to 130 centers, and the remaining 3,500 so KNUST 500 there, 3,000 I can call him echo different schools ain't UG Ebenyane there, Legon Ebenyane there. What I say? Various universities in Accra, big almost in Yabi, and you don't make it look like I said. Kumasi nkwana ma KNUST 500 laptops into no yan fan no munso ntwe ope enkaza 7 nchire ye. Any is uncommon. What is here? Just admit it. What is here? What we kwasia by all standard. What you di? Ye chat laptops. As antwemu akra no. And this in your vote, esne various and this is stronghold. But mo buye kwasia. Listen, it is true, sir. As it has been preached, say the NDC is a party formed against the Ashantis. Because I can say very soon the Ashantis will get its fair share in the then already say that the phase 1. What is here? It's phase 1 and more channel. Thereby the no come. What were the parameters? That I would say okay, Yama region be 24, the Yama vote at 14, Yama 7 for 11. No Kumasi Yama 3 penenko. Agreement no can say. Ekone say Sam George, I feel a better to the same Ekone say. I was aware is my Sam George Ababeka. Media and cinema to the moon. Menena Yarjane, Wabuya Quasia, what you see a pa, Menena Yarjane. What will that Chirawaja, Amame? Ever comment session. I even have media. Background.